Hi guys, ang lulutuin ko ngayon is pork and tomatoes. Meron akong 6 na pork liempo guys. Hiwain lang natin ng ganito. Pork in cubes. Then may 4 akong cloves na garlic. At 1 medium of white onion. At 5 piraso guys na large tomatoes. Slice din natin guys. Sa atin guys, ang tawag nito kinamatisang pork. Then, i-marinate natin guys ng 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of dark soy sauce. At 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Haluin lang natin guys. Maglagay din ako guys ng 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And half teaspoon of black pepper. Halo ulit guys. Then takpan muna natin guys ng plastic wrap. I-marinate natin ito guys ng mga 1 hour. After ng 1 hour guys, pakuluan naman natin doon sa sauce na ating minarinate. Hanggang matuyuan siya guys. At magiging dark brown. Then iset aside natin siya. Now guys, magsusote tayo ng garlic, onion, and tomatoes. Ilagay na natin guys yung ating pork. Haluan din natin guys ng spring onion. Maglagay din tayo guys ng spring onion. This is it guys, ang ating pork and tomatoes. Thank you for watching guys.